Hi, welcome to my presentation on cognitive learning and motivation. Cognitive psychology is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding it through your thoughts, experiences, and senses. Cognitive learning provides children with the intention to pay attention to thinking about how the world around them works. For example, students reflecting on their experiences that they may have in life. Learning psychology is a permanent change in behavior as a result of experience. It focuses on a range of topics related to how people learn and interact with their environment. Learning psychology is important because it can help people improve decision making, stress management, and behavior based understanding. For an example, observational learning, like an infant learning to make and understand its facial expressions. Motivation psychology, it is what causes you to act and initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviors. Motivation psychology improves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate one's behavior. For an example, getting a glass of water to reduce thirst or reading a book for simple knowledge. Effects, effects of historical development. Cognitive psychology was created around the 1950s through the 1960s with Ulrich Neisser. Books of cognitive psychology which eluded the human mind working in a similar fashion to computers. Learning psychology, historical development originates to Plato, who believed that all knowledge innate at birth and can be perfected by experimental learning during growth. Motivation psychology can be traced back to ancient Greeks, Plato, Aristotle, and Socrates' ages. It was influenced by development, work-life balance, leadership, and reward and recognition. Effects of socio-cultural development. Cognitive psychology has the theory that looks at important contributions that society makes to individual development. It stresses the interaction between developing people and the culture they live in. The influence of socio-cultural development on learning psychology is that we live on our learning process. And with motivation psychology, there is instinct and extinct aspects, parental influence, family background, self-efficacy, value, and self-regulation that we all use in our daily lives. And this here is my reference for you. So thank you for hearing my presentation.